Okay, how do you weld this? So let's go. Now, the normal traditional method is gonna be quite tricky using this guy here. So I have to remodify this guy to see how I can be able to weld it. If suppose it's flat, that is not gonna be needing any ingenuity, but this one is not flat. We're talking about L, we're talking about a 90-degree joint here. So what do? That is where I have to bring two guys into the picture and see how I can be able to manipulate them to make things work. You're gonna be needing like 2 or 3. Here is where the joint is. Before already doing this, I know it's gonna work. So I'm gonna try to do the impossible. Put it right there, and we go on the second one. Yeah. Set it to 90 degree. It's gonna be one of the trickiest one yet.
You know, I was up to when you
You need to run waste my battery now.
every kind of machine.
Well,
Off here.
check out my gun in Korea, but on AliExpress can Korea. Okay, so wanna look at this one here. So I wanna go ahead to so gonna bend this one. So gonna bend this one. It's gonna be weird, but I'm certain this is gonna work. Now, I've already bent 2, so let's go ahead and try the 2 out and see if it's gonna work. And let me show you guys the difference. So we have this one right here. You see it? And this is the one I just bent. I hope you guys can see it very well. Let me flip it to this side so you guys can see it. Now you can see we are having 90 degree, and this one is just having 180. So this is the one I bent. And let's go ahead into, and this is the second one I bent also. Let's go ahead into, you never get this shape, but it's actually meant for joints. So let me go ahead and let's switch up the guy and see if what I did is gonna actually work. I haven't done this before, but I trust my creativity, my ingenuity to do something right off bat, something different. So let's go ahead and position this well enough. Moment of the truth. Hey, here we go. Wow. I would have just been a little bit, just a little bit more, and I'm gonna get it right there. But it's not still bad, so let me go ahead and try this one first. Well, it didn't actually work, but we can be so sure of the reinforcement until, okay, it's strong now. I gotta add the second one here before we can proceed. So since this one is already here, we can use the straight one somewhere here before we use the other remaining 90 in the end. Let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna be trying a lot of different things here. How about this area here? There is a stretch one which I saw here. I haven't figured out exactly what I can do over there. It's crazy. Still doesn't fit. So over here, as raw. This is this is solid as raw. But I want to brace it more from the inside down here. Okay. Okay. This is the tricky part. I've used one on this side here, but this very place here is too tiny that I can't get anything in there. I'm trying to see how I can be able to get something in the. Let's see if this can stand there. Whoa. Well, it's actually gonna work, but it needs to be tiny because it's jamming with already existing structure there. All we're trying to do here is just to reinforce it the more. Reinforce it. What about here? What are we gonna do right here? What are we gonna do right here? Come on. I need to cut this off so I can know what I'm up against. I need to chop this off. Okay. We are on, and this is solid, really solid, but I want to reinforce it the more. I'm getting some download. However, it's not a complete download. I'm trying to see how I can be able to bend something to work here. This is crazy. It's really crazy. I need another reinforcement somewhere here. Like I did over here. This thing actually flipped the opposite way. It's supposed to be the other way around. It's supposed to be the other way around. Just a moment, this is what I mean by the other way around. It's supposed to be an angle declining outside. Okay, I can see. So let me release it. You can see how it looks. So it's almost straight. No, I want to. Yes. 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 I've got it. Let's go. Look at how we're gonna get it to work. Right here. Right here. want to test it first before we can go into. So I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh shit. Okay. Now the last part which I have here to deal with is this center area. How exactly am I gonna plot that? That was a real question. Because I don't want this thing to break off again, but I need another reinforcement somewhere here. Okay, I got an idea. Just have to create another 90-degree bend somewhere here. Let's see how this is gonna help us. Like this, like this. And I'm gonna stretch this back. Right. But here it's gonna be like this. Okay. You guys can see how it is. Go ahead. Okay. So it's gonna be for in here. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Put on tight, guys. Get this done in here. I'm a little bit scared here because it's supposed to bury inside. Yeah, I got it now. I don't want it to spring out, so I have to root it in. Let's take a look at the other side. It didn't come outside. It should never come outside. If you come outside here, then that's a bad job. So you have to be very careful how you run it. So now we got a very solid structure right here. Really, really strong. All right. And that's it, guys. See, it worked. Let me show you guys that it works. I wish I could it's actually holding it in place when I'm holding it right here. So guys, I'll catch you guys later, but you guys have seen how strong, how powerful that is. I still have another one on the second side, but at least this have given you guys how to weld a 90-degree bend joint to reinforce it to have maximum power afterwards.